Imagine you're sitting on your chair with some sensor band on your head and playing a video game on your computer just by the power of your thoughts. Seems like a science fiction movie, right? Well, believe it or not, but actually that's possible. Yes, it's possible because of brain-computer interface technology. Every thought arising in our brain is generated and controlled by neurons, which is fired at different intensities and rates in numerous areas of the brain. The pattern of these neurons in motion is called as brainwave. Brainwave is nothing but the real-time representation of the state of your brain, which reflects your mental health. With the help of certain repetitive brain activities, it's actually possible to train your brain to reproduce more improved brainwaves, which results in improved and balanced mental health. Nowadays, brain training and neurofeedback technology is widely being used in medical science to help people suffering from depression, ADHD, or other anxiety-related problems. There are multiple types of individual differences in all of us in terms of the learning ability. Some individuals struggle to cope up with all subjects, whereas others have specific difficulties with regards to language, literacy, numeracy, or self-control. Thus, there is an urgent need to find educational approaches that will work for all. We discovered that the technology being used in medical science must be taken to the root level of individuals' growth and should be made an integral part of our education system. After years of research, workshops and practical sessions, the first time ever, Cerbotech Education Private Limited is bringing this concept for the benefit of kids at the most pertinent time, which is an ideal period for child's learning and mental development. It's not only about playing computer games with brain, but the well-planned workshop which includes computer games, brain development exercises that was specially designed to enhance kids' cognitive functions, concentration, sensory development, reaction time, memory power, impulse control, and ability to focus on their learning activities. After the workshop, the kids get better control on self, reduced addictions to gadgets, and other distractions. Overall, we are working on improvement of kids' mental health in an enjoyable fashion, giving them an exciting learning experience. Our attempt is to fill the gap between the latest technology and a normal human being. We at Cerbotech Education Private Limited keep pursuing research and development in the field of brain training technology so that our young generation can receive the best they deserve.